Join me to paint a charming ceramic cup using watercolor. You don't need to sketch anything for this painting. This session is perfect for beginners, and I hope you find the painting process as heartwarming as I do. I start by mixing cadmium red with indigo to get a warm brown hue, which I then dilute with more water to achieve a lighter value for painting a soft background. After painting the background, I tilt the board slightly to allow any excess pigment to flow towards the edges. I then use the tip of a damp brush to gently absorb the collected pigment. A damp brush, often called a thirsty brush, helps to lift the excess color without disturbing the background. After that, I let the paper dry completely before moving on to the next step. Next, I mix indigo with sap green to create a bluish green shade. Then I dilute it with more water to achieve a lighter value, which is used to paint the base layer of the cup. We will be gradually adding medium and dark values over this layer to build depth and create a three-dimensional effect. I begin by painting the cup in the shape of capital letter U, making it slightly wide to match the cup's structure. After that, I flatten the base to avoid a curved bottom. Then I fill the U shape with a light value of the mix. Below the rim of the cup, I curve the top portion to give it a natural look of the cup. Next, we use a darker value of bluish green to add a second layer to the cup when the first layer is still wet. I leave some space on the right side and start applying the dark shade. As I move left, I gradually lighten the pigment by pressing the brush on a cloth in order to reduce the amount of pigment in my brush. This creates a smooth gradient on the cup. Since I have assumed that the light source is on the left, this side remains lighter while the right side and the bottom of the cup are painted with deeper shade of bluish green. Next, I use a light value of the bluish green mix to paint the handle of the cup, shaping it like a capital letter D. Once the handle is painted, I apply a darker value to enhance the shadowed areas of the handle. We are going to leave the rim as the background color and paint the inner part of the cup in the shape of an elongated oval with curved edges at both ends. I'm painting with medium value of brown shade, which is a mix of cadmium red and indigo. I'm also very careful to leave the rim untouched as I shape the elongated oval shape inside the cup. While the inner part of the cup is still wet, I apply a dark brown value along the left side to represent the shadowed area in the cup. I gently blend it into a lighter tone as I move towards the center of the cup, creating a natural gradient effect. Next, using a dark value of the bluish green shade from the palette, I paint the cast shadow of the cup. I take extra care to avoid any hard edges in the shadow. I soften them with a clean, damp brush, gently stroking along the edges to create a smooth transition. We have reached the end of this writing process. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor painting content. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Frema.